I'm bored, so let's do a market recap of the week. It's gonna be a short video. It's early. It's 10:30. Well, 7:30 PST. EST it is 10:30. I'm done trading for the day. I didn't trade today. We wanted to see price action. Give us our trade entry right within here, our bullish trade entry before we rallied to the upside. That did not happen, clearly. And it will not happen. I don't want to see it happen. But let's recap today, then let's recap the week, because why not? Today, these are my little notes if you want to pause and read them. Hope you paused and read them. And let's get into it. So, going onto my journal. Boom, book clyde. This is how daily was looking earlier. Pushing to the downside. I had a macro SMT on ES. That's what I ended up marking out. Price pushed to the downside. I wanted to see upon 10 a.m. close, 4-hour close, whether or not we would take out this resting sell side liquidity. We did not. If we would have displaced with strength on the 4-hour time frame below this, it would signify to me that we are bullish, so I did mark on my bearish draws. But if we would have failed to, well, we were expecting the price to continue higher, and or even just sweep it out then continue higher. But price just completely failed to even take it out. Validated this 15-minute imbalance and the hourly we were within, and showcased to me a clear, somebody said this in my Discord, power of 3, power of Diddy. We had the invitation to the Diddy party. We had you getting there fully oiled up, and then somehow you end up waking in Diddy's bed butt booty naked. Who would have known? Who would have known? So, accumulation, manipulation, distribution. Power of Diddy. Shouldn't have accepted the invitation, but you did. And you know, after you woke up sore in some mysterious areas, you thought to yourself, well, maybe the party wasn't half bad. Maybe I should host my own Diddy series, my own freak offs. Call it the Diddy offs, you know? Invite everybody in my neighborhood. See who wants to attend. It'll probably just be me. But I mean, you're also thinking to yourself, you could just sit there fully oiled up and glazed. You wouldn't mind it. You would send a text message to Diddy hoping he'd get out of jail just to diddle you. Thinking about the good old days. Even though you don't fully remember everything that happened at the party, you know? All you remember is you drinking whatever Diddy gave you and waking up in a mysterious bedroom. I mean, or at least it looked like a bedroom. There was lack of oxygen in the room, and you were actually underground. Come to think of it, in order to have gotten out, you had to go through tunnels. Walking through thousands of bottles of baby oil stacked on the shelf in these mysterious tunnels. Until you eventually seen sunlight and called an Uber back home. But I mean, the Uber denied you because, well, you're butt booty naked. You forgot to put clothes on, silly. Silly you. Shouldn't have accepted the invitation. But it was a good party, though. Can't lie. I wasn't there. Not that I remember. Anyways, apart from all of that, price action continued to the upside. Failed to see any 5-minute imbalance retracement. This doesn't count. Don't say that counts. That doesn't count. Price action continued to the upside. Was thinking, you know what? Maybe we could get an adjusted trade position within this 15-minute imbalance. Then I measured out the risk reward. I'm like, I'm not about to have a 52-point stop for a 2.5 R when I could just simply wait for price action to see a retracement, market structure shift in the 1 minute time frame, then get an even tighter stop for my draw liquidity with an increased risk reward. You know, so that was my conclusion. In turn, I'm done for the trading day. Ended off the trading week pretty good. Wasn't a half bad trading week. It was actually a really good trading week. Finally, was able to build and find what works for our strategy, our trading playbook, which is executing on the 1 minute time frame, emphasizing strong displacement and market structure shifts. I tried to make a video on that 3 times yesterday, 4 times, and I ended up talking about Diddy the entire time, and Miami, and OF. Not me doing it, just like the culture. Started talking about dudes, yacht parties, Diddy's secret yacht party that a lot of you weren't invited to. Not that I would know about it. Silly. So I read it on the internet, I think. Yeah. And trading. Most importantly, trading. This was Friday. Let's go to Thursday. What happened Thursday? Let's remove this big fat arrow that was pointing toward the liquidity sweep. Thursday, we were bullish to the upside. Thursday was a really clean day as well. For anybody that caught longs to the upside, congratulations. For anybody that didn't, congratulations. Saved you the headache of sitting within this consolidation right here. Bam, bam. Because it was a while until we pushed to the upside. Price action had literally done the exact same thing today. Power 3, if we'll call it whatever you want to call it. I call it liquidity sweep, change of character, market structure shift, whatever. Support and resistance, supply and demand for value gap retracement. So, well, this would really be support turn resistance. So support turn resistance, whatever you want to call it. You know, rejection. Price action did the exact same thing today, just on the lower time frames. Came down, swept out this liquidity, all of this residing liquidity. Market structure shift, consolidate, push to the upside. Exact same thing today. Consolidation, bam, swept out, push to the upside. This time, however, failed to make a trade retracement. I typically call trades off when we are too close toward our draw liquidity and we don't see any trade retracement. You just have to know when to call off the day. There's, you know, I don't want to say it's common sense because I still make mistakes sometimes, but just read price action, read the room, and see whether or not it's possible to see your trade retracement. Like right here, if we were to see my 1 minute retracement, yeah, I'm not executing on that. Why? That would be more, that would appear more than a liquidity sweep. Kind of imagine how the candle would develop if you got your trade retracement. If I got my trade retracement, guess what? We'd have to see a fat wick. Wick showcase rejection. Don't forget that. That means we swept something out. And I'm not trying to be part of the Diddy sweep. I'm sorry. Okay. I'll stop. Diddy. LeBron and... Okay. Anywho, price action on Wednesday. We were bullish all throughout the week because of our weekly imbalance. We had validated, bam, right here. Let me hide the chart. Not chart, drawings. Bam, right here. So I am expecting us to possibly target within the next 2 to 3 weeks all-time highs again. Continue back to the upside because ES right now is doing exactly that. We are just boom, boom, boom to the upside. Yippee. But ES this week, I don't even want to talk about ES. Price action was so bad. It was the worst price action on ES I've ever seen. The weekend was at the party too. Not that I seen them or anything. But on Wednesday, price action did exactly that. Expansion to the upside. I want to recap Wednesday, I guess, because I think there was a setup I had missed, or a setup I had just simply not executed upon, because something specific. Oh, I was in shorts. Silly me. I was in shorts because I was bearish market open, overall bullish trend. If you've seen that recap, you already know. Not that any of you've seen it. But yeah, it was bearish market open, which we were bearish market open, and then, well, I was my execution was literally like here. So, it was bearish market open. But looking to follow that overall bullish trend, just wanted to see more liquidity swept out before that move. Had more than enough. I was liquidity. Oh my gosh. And then price action continued to rally. Tuesday. What happened? Simply no retracement entry. Don't talk about here. I'm talking about the overall start of the move. I wanted to see 1 minute showcase an imbalance for a retracement. We seen the imbalance. We didn't see the retracement. Oh, silly me. Didn't even see a retracement for the order block. Oh, you're so black. Maybe if you weren't born in the darkest parts of Nigeria, you'd be a little lighter. Not my fault you look like charcoal. And you have a big nose and elephant-sized ears. At least you have good genetics, right? Ha 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 ha. I think I'm schizophrenic. Talking to myself. The voices are getting to me. Price action did showcase another market structure shift back here on the 5 minute time frame retracement and 15, but nothing valid in order for us to push to the upside. Now going to Monday. Finally, Monday fun day, right? Yippee. Amazing price action. What even happened? What am I looking at? I mean, I know what I'm looking at. Where's Monday? What day was Monday? Sunday. What the hell? What trade I take? I took a short. This is all just for jokes, by the way. I knew what trade position I took. Oh, no, so yeah, I knew. Price actually made a macro time frame retracement on the hourly. Yeah, macro time frame retracement on the hourly. And then we had a 5 minute market structure shift to the downside. Well, 1 minute. And 5 minute followed within confluence. This Monday was messy. I don't want to talk about Monday. Monday was a great trade, but this was unnecessary. Completely unnecessary. Then we absolutely shat the bed. Liquidated my pants. So, from then on, this looks insane. But that was our market recap for the week. What is our potential market bias? Well, I already said that. Bullish. For next coming days, weeks, with slight signs of bearishness. That's your weather report. Ooh, I think I call those weather reports. It's a good name. But I want to end this video before 15 minutes because when it's past 15 minutes, I feel like it's unwatchable. Not that anybody's gonna watch it, but yeah. So there you go. That was a weekly trade recap. Bullish throughout the week, bearish Monday, and that's exactly what we did. Now I'm gonna go in, do my daily recap. If you're not journaling, you should be journaling. Go journal. Don't forget to journal. Peace.